Why there is no air in space? There are two main reasons why there's no air, or very little, in space. Gravity's hold. Earth's gravity holds onto the gases that make up our atmosphere, like oxygen and nitrogen. These gases have molecules that are constantly moving, and gravity's pull keeps them from flying off into space. Not enough stuff. Space is vast, but it's also very empty. It's a near vacuum, which means there simply aren't many molecules floating around. Even though some gas molecules might escape Earth's gravity, space is just too spread out for them to accumulate in any significant way. Here's an analogy. Think of Earth's atmosphere as a giant blanket wrapped around the planet. Gravity acts like the tightness of the weave in the blanket, holding the air molecules close. Space, on the other hand, is more like a loose sheet. There's not enough stuff to form a dense covering,